Babe, you look beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Life is good if you are moving with beautiful people. As I let me tell you, you are owning so many girls out there. Really? You don't want you to go and look at
See, I understand everything you said. That's why I'm gonna take good care of you.
Ah! Even in my dream, you've started taking good care of me since.
Trust me now.
You did it for your water. I am almost. Hey.
I'm gonna make you to give me.
Hey.
I am in the air.
Onyeapa! What is this I'm seeing? What's the meaning of this?
If not, please, it is not what you think.
Did I just say it right? It is not what I think. What am I supposed to think? Huh? No, tell me, what am I supposed to think?
Calm down, if not, don't take it too far. Calm down.
How many days did we see last night? You're telling me to calm down. What am I don't understand. Calm down for what?
If not, if you watch anybody where they fuck, they don't fuck them. Make you give way, make them fuck another person.
Wait, am I the one you're talking to?
Hey, calm down. Stop shouting. You're not a child. You're not a kid. Nobody is a kid here. He just said a simple statement. If they fuck you, you give way. Eh? Who them fuck? They don't fuck him. Yeah. Did you carry it and come? Is it follow come battery?
Like seriously?
Leave. You know we're doing something. You're kind of.
If now go now, you are distracting us. Go. If now, please don't be annoyed. I want to show you something. As I become boy, I go to your tongue. I need table to pass a diet. You sugar in it. You never join. I need table to pass a diet. The sugar in it. Look, let me tell you now. Goat and fowl are not the same.
That's all.
East
and west.
Don't worry, wear what you're doing.
Get out from here, idiot. There is difference between formality and the proper data where you see.
Leave her.
Baby. Hey! If it is the way life is.
Onyeapa, my love.
Ada, what is your problem? What is it?
Auntie, talk.
Why not the one that told me I should come and see you?
Give me mercy. I said you should come and see me. Am I not the one you are seeing?
Wait, you even agree. You said she
she's joking. I didn't tell her anything. She's just trying to.
So now you're done with your role. Can you leave? You are done. Your performance. We have seen it. Can you go?
Wait. Listen very well. You see this thing here? You see this thing here? He told me that I should come and see him.
Okay, what is your explanation?
I don't have anything to say.
You don't have anything to say.
She's
that the lady
now.
just came out here and said you told her she should come and see you. The first one just barked like a dog now and left. And now, like, am I not enough? I've been with you since last night.
I know now, that is why I'm chasing you.
No, you know I'm not in for this. If you look at me where I'm above all this nonsense. I'm not in for, so bad the roll. Let me just, I got better things to do, please. I will just go. What is it? What is it? Why are you begging me? Like she just came here and she said, just look at the person you're even working with.
It's okay. Don't insult me. After all, are you not the one that told the other girl that anybody with them fuck said they don't fuck her, may she give way, make them fuck another person?
Okay.
Again. After all, I pack come out. Is it because I'm praising you? You know the one. I don't call. I don't go by you. See ya. Bye-bye.
Onyeapa! What's your problem?
Come on.